All right. So the way that you get to Khan Academy is you go to www.khanacademy.org. You can forget the rest of this. And you should have something similar to this pop up. To get to math, you'll go up to courses, then you'll click and go down to 6th grade. Once you click on 6th grade, you may have a screen that pops up. You can say no thanks. Here is math 6th grade. What you'll see is that it will give you a suggestion that says up next for you. It says that I have 0 of 2,700 mastery points, and that's because I haven't done any of these lessons. All you need to do is click Get Started, and it will take you through step by step until you receive mastery. It's possible you could complete the lessons but not actually have mastery. If that's the case, like if there are 500 out of 2,700 points, it doesn't make sense to move down to arithmetic operations because you haven't completed it. So you should go back and redo the lessons that didn't have great scores. Do them again, pausing at points until she gets it. You'll see over here under the course summary, as she starts to complete these courses, the ratios, rates, and percentages, you'll start to see a bar that moves up here. This is an easy way for you to tell how she's doing on rates or ratios, rates, and percentages. So if she's at a 20%, you can quickly tell this is where you definitely need to go back to. And again, you should not move on to arithmetic operations or move from intro to ratios to equivalent ratios, or from equivalent ratios to visualized ratios, or from visualized ratios to ratio application until you've mastered the one before. All of the 6th grade math goals are here. So this would be Unit 1, ratios, rates, and percentages. Here are the individual lessons within that unit. And again, you can just click Get Started because this tells you there are 0 mastery points and this is where you need to start. Once you've completed this one and you've got mastery, it should automatically take you here. And again, you'll look for up next for you. It will tell you with this blue line and the blue button exactly where you need to be. You can go to these other ones, but you shouldn't. You should go up next for you, get started. So here's up next for you, get started. I'm going to click on this blue button. Ratios, rates, and percentages. Same thing as before. I'm not going to go to all these other ones down here. Nope. I'm going to go to up next for you and the blue start button because the computer actually knows whether I've mastered this or not. So I will simply click on start. And then it will say, okay, show us what you can do. 7 questions. The reason why it does this is because it wants to know what you know and what you don't know. So we're not wasting our time. You'll click Let's Go. What is the ratio of cookies to ice cream cones? Guess what? Miss Frank has no idea. So I go, let's see, 3 to 1. Check. Ooh, I got it right. We'll go to the next one. Erin loves to play sports. She has earned 3 tennis trophies, 4 basketball trophies, 7 soccer trophies, and 1 volleyball trophy. What is the ratio of Erin's tennis trophies to soccer trophies? Tennis trophies to soccer trophies. 3 tennis trophies, 7 soccer trophies. So 3 and 7. Let's go this. All right. So you go through. Let's just pretend I do this. Ooh, okay. Now, let's say that you get one incorrect. You can either get help or skip for now. If I were you, I would do get help. So get help. Then it will break it down into exactly what needs to happen. It has videos that you can click on that teach you what to do. It also has written instructions that walk you through it exactly. So, if you don't know what to do, let's say you want to click on the video, it'll take you to the video. You get the idea. It walks you through step by step by step by step by step. So great, here's a video that will show me what to do.
Let's do some example questions dealing with ratios. So we're told the table shows the number of people waiting in line for different rides at an amusement park. So 15 people are waiting in line for the roller coaster, 4 people for the slingshot, 12 people waiting in line for the bumper cars, and 11 people in line for the roundup. What is the ratio of people waiting in line for the roundup to the people waiting in line for the slingshot? Pause this video and see if you can figure it out.
So then it will prompt you at certain points to pause and work. So Christy should have something, piece of paper, a notebook that she dedicates just to Khan Academy, and then she'll go ahead and try it. One, even if she gets it wrong, it actually doesn't matter. She's trying to engage her brain. Two, if she does get it wrong, it's going to actually allow her, just like if she's in the classroom, to keep, push play, keep going, and compare her answer to the correct answer. So let's see how she did.
I want to know the ratio of the people waiting in line for the roundup. This is the roundup right over here. To the number of people waiting in line for the slingshot. So there's 11 people waiting in line for the roundup, and there are 4 people waiting in line for the slingshot.
Great. So you get the idea. It walks you through exactly what you need to do, and it will prompt you on exactly what the next step is. So hopefully this would be a really great resource. And again, if you just go back to the main page, it should let you know whether you have mastered something. So I just went to the regular khanacademy.org. It just happens to be on math. It says resume. I haven't finished it. So look, I haven't completed these, so I would just click that blue button and it walks me through. So if you've got questions, please reach out to me. But I do think this could be a really great and free resource for the two of you guys to either sit down and try together or for her to try on her own. But this way, at least you're familiar with it and you can check to see her progress.